Here's the best microphone settings for Discord. Start by opening user settings from the bottom left corner of Discord. On the left side, scroll down and select voice and video. First, open the microphone menu and choose the microphone you want Discord to use. Then, under speaker menu, select your speakers or headphones. For microphone volume, lower the level to 90%. If your microphone is not working correctly, use the mic test option to test whether Discord is receiving your voice. Next, scroll down to push to talk. Voice activity keeps your microphone open whenever you speak, while push to talk requires you to hold a chosen key to transmit your voice. If you select push to talk, set a convenient hotkey. Now move to input sensitivity. Keep the automatic sensitivity option enabled so Discord can detect when you are speaking. After that, scroll down to echo cancellation. In most cases, leave this disabled. However, if other people hear your voice repeated or notice an echo, turn echo cancellation on to help eliminate that problem. For noise suppression, select crisp. Then, expand this section and make sure advanced voice activity is enabled. Automatic gain control should also remain turned on. Continue scrolling until you reach global attenuation. This setting reduces other audio from your computer when you start talking. Enabling this option lowers those sounds while you speak, making your microphone easier to hear. Once these Discord settings are configured, you can close the settings window. There is one more set of changes to make in Windows. Right-click the volume icon on the taskbar and select Sound Settings. Inside Sound Settings, scroll to the Input section and confirm that your main microphone is selected. Set its volume to around 90% as well. Then, scroll to the bottom and select More Sound Settings. A new window will open. Go to the Recording tab. Select your default microphone and choose Set Default. After that, right-click the microphone and open Properties. Inside the microphone properties, select the Advanced tab. Make sure Allow Applications to take exclusive control of this device is enabled. Next, open the Format dropdown and check the available sample rates. You should use the sample rate recommended for your particular microphone. If you are unsure which sample rate to use, search online for the recommended sample rate followed by your microphone model. For example, if you use a Blue Yeti, search for the recommended sample rate for that microphone. In this case, the recommended setting is this, samples per second, so select this Hertz from the Format menu. Finally, click Apply and then OK to save the Windows microphone settings. Once everything has been changed, restart Discord so the new settings are fully applied. After Discord opens again, your microphone should be configured with the recommended settings for clear and reliable voice communication. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.